All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. Man, I am just down bad on luck when it comes to me and the Type R. So, as you, if you either did or you didn't, but in the last video that I had about the Type R, we had intercooler O-ring gasket on the driver's side was out of line just a little bit, which was causing some boost issues. We got that fixed, and then also on the passenger side, we had one of the charge pipes slightly off as well. So that was causing some boost issues, etc. Me and Kefi talked it out, figured out what exactly was going on. Had to tear the bumper off. Like I said, got the intercooler fixed. And then, he sends me a revised tune. He's like, hey, throw this on the car, give me some data, and let's see what it does. And, right out the gate, coming out of the driveway, car felt 1,000 times better. Boost was there. Everything was great about the car. So me and my girlfriend, we need to get a few things from Walmart because we were going to watch the Poirier and Conor McGregor fight and have some friends over at the house. And so we take the car to Walmart, and then on the way to Walmart, I get a low tire pressure, which is kind of odd because, prior to all this, I had the same thing. The check engine light came on for, downshift, rev match, all that stuff, and then the tire pressure sensor came on. I'm thinking, checked all the pressure in the tires. They're all sitting around 30, 31 PSI. So I was like, I didn't think nothing of it. So we get back home, and as soon as I make a right turn to come on my main street, I instantly knew something was wrong with the tire. And I could definitely feel it that it was in the right rear. So this tire is definitely down bad. A friend and I are about to pull the tire off and see exactly where this thing's leaking. So hopefully we can salvage the tire. I mean, the car only has 4,000 miles on it, 4,500 miles on it. I'd love to save the tire and not go spend, I don't know, 310, 15 bucks for another tire. So it's just one thing after another. So the tire is pretty much completely flat, it is completely flat. So we get this tire pulled off, and we're gonna do some soap and water trick and see where this bad boy's leaking from. You guys have got to show me some love on this video, and then comment down below if you're not already following my Instagram. Here's a little pop-up from my Instagram. I have a thing going on. I'm asking you all if you all would like to see a Honda Grom on the channel. So if you're interested in seeing the Honda Grom on the channel, comment down below Grom and let me know. I think that'd be a fun, cool, exciting build that I could do with the Grom. I could do, riding videos, etc. I think that'd be cool. But anyways, let's get to getting this tire off. All right, for those of you that don't know, the socket size for the Type R is a 22. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy off. That joker was on there, man. All right, let's go ahead and lift the car up right after we get this tire off. That should be good enough. Oh, found the culprit already. Son of a bitch. Alrighty, that did not take long at all. As you can see right there, there is a freaking nail sticking out of the tire. So hopefully Zach and I will be able to get that pulled out and plugged. There you go. There you go.
Come on, baby.
How did it go in backwards?
Did it?
I mean, yeah, it looks like the reason why it didn't come out is because the head of the screw is in the rubber.
Put your fingers on one. I'm just gonna rotate them. Lefty loosey, right?
Yeah. Holy crap! How big is this thing?
That's what she said. That's the culprit.
My God. Okay.
I don't know which. Yeah, just snapped the head off. Might have snapped the head off inside of it.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
All right. Well, I don't know how to plug a tire, but we're gonna learn.
Oh yeah, ain't too bad.
Let me get out of that. Look at the size of the hole. And then we think that there might have been one more right here. We did take another shard of something out, but I'm just thankful that we don't have to replace the whole freaking tire. I just do this thing.
Put the rubber cement on there, all around it, just so it kind of seals it up after you use it. Take it, cram it in.
Nice. That was visually aesthetically. That was nice to watch.
I think I might have went too far with it, but we'll see. Ready? And then you
yank it out. Listen to those freaking frogs.
And you clip off your ends.
All right. Once again, sorry for the frogs. Let's get this cold start going so we can get the inflator to go. Going and gets there in the tire. This thing is completely flat, so it's going to take it a hot minute to fill this thing up with air. Alrighty, got the tire inflated back to sitting right about 30, 31 psi, and right before I put the tire back on, everything was holding just fine. The other nick, there was no. I squirted some water in everywhere to see if there was any kind of air escaping, and no air was escaping at all. So thank you, Zach. And I'm not gonna lie, I admit it, I've never plugged a tire before in my life, but I guarantee you from this day forward I will know how to plug a tire. So thanks again, Zach, for bringing that over and showing me how to do that. I feel like it's something I learned a long time ago. I guess it's common sense on how to do it, but thanks for your help anyways. Let me show you something that Zach brought over that he wanted me to share with you all. What are your guys' thoughts on a carbon fiber, a real true carbon fiber keychain R for your keys? Now keep in mind, this one, the R, that's just a prototype. It's a little too big. We wanna scale it down just a little bit more. So here's your standard key fob and the R. So I was telling him, maybe we should make it like a quarter of this size. You know, we need to size it down just a little bit, but I think this would be super cool to have for the key fob. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the us potentially coming out with some R keychain stuff for your keys. I think it's going to be sweet. We just got to get down the size and then scale on to see who all's interested. So, man, what a day! You know, intercooler, gasket, passenger side charge pipe. Go to the store with my girlfriend. We're on our way back from Walmart. Low tire pressure. You know, the TPMS comes on. I'm like, dude, and you know, thankfully I was about less than 3 minutes from home. So I literally I think I went about 25, maybe 20 the whole way home, and then I knew from there exactly which tire it was. And I checked, all the other tires. They're all sitting good. They're all right around 30 psi as well. So the true telltale sign will be tomorrow morning. We'll see if this bad boy still got some tire pressure in it, which I hope it does. Fingers crossed this fix it, because like I said, I think a new tire online, let me double check, had it pulled up. A new Continental, exact same tire from Tire Rack is $3,999 for one tire, and I did not want to pay that. But anyways, once again, thank you so much, Zach, for the help. And like I said, if you're interested, if you think that'd be cool, something to have, one of those Type R carbon fiber keychains, comment down below and let me know. And also, let me know if you guys would like to see the a Honda Grom build. I think it'd be really cool. Me and Zach are throwing around some ideas. You know, they make turbocharged kits for them. So I think a Grom will be cool. So comment down below also, let me know if you guys would be interested in some Honda Grom content and a build. I think that would just be freaking amazing. Anyways, thank you all so much for stopping to the channel. If this is your first time, seeing my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications. I got about 57% of you all who watch my videos are not subscribed. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Peace out, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.